Hey guys, Ride Pro back again, another bike for sale. Here we have a 2013 Victory Hardball. Bike is black, obviously. It's the matte black edition, not the gloss. Really cool paint job. Has the ABS. There's two versions, I believe. This one, I believe there's two versions. This one definitely has the ABS. Again, it's a matte black finish. You can see that. I know it's a little shiny out here. The bat fairing on this bike here, this is aftermarket. Okay, so you can remove this or you can keep it on there if you like. The radio works. But naturally these bikes did not come with this. So you can tell there's a slight difference in the finish. From that matte black to that one. Seems like the original Victory one is just a tad darker. But all in all, it matches pretty well. Nice crash bars on this bike, big floorboards. Standard for Victory, 106 cubic inch, 6-speed tranny. Again, that's the ABS model. Big back seat, passenger backrest. One of my favorite things about these Victories are the bags. Really nice, big bags. Good tires on this bike, front and back. Luggage rack there. All that's aftermarket, can be pulled off or you can leave it on. I'm going to go ahead and start this one for us. 39,196. 39,196 on this bike.
Chemo, drop the mixtape, they sounded like an album. Who'd have thought a countrywide tour be the outcome?
Again, that's aftermarket. You can leave it on or take it off. So there it is, 2013 Victory Hardball. If you're looking to have this bike shipped out of state, need a shipping quote, give us a call. We'll help you out with that. We just need your zip code. Our number here is 813-615-1700. Or for more information, check out our website at www.myridepro.com. Bike sounds great. Thanks for watching.